if you want to change lock screen shortcuts on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first of all, open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our home screen and lock screen section. There it is. In here, we gotta find our lock screen section. There it is. In our lock screen, we gotta find our lock screen shortcuts. So here we can adjust it. Keep in mind that unluckily the right shortcuts is unadjustable, so it always will be your photo. However, we can set anything on our left shortcut, so we can either set it to none, to QR code scanner, flashlight, device controls, wallet, or leave it as a digital assistant from Google. I'll set it on flashlight. Now, to save the changings, let's go back, and now we'll see that our left shortcut is our flashlight. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.